Business Process Model and Notation, or BPMN, is a flowchart method that models the steps of a planned business process. Business analysts, process participants, managers, and technical developers commonly use BPMN diagrams to document a sequence of business activities using a common language that can be understood by all stakeholders. Instead of documenting your process on whiteboards or on paper, use Lucidchart to create a BPMN diagram that is easily shareable and editable across different teams. You can use our BPMN templates as design inspirations or as starting points for developing and adding your own content. In the Lucidchart template library, you will find several versions of these templates. Process flows show the internal workflows that occur in a business process. Collaborative diagrams show the interactions between two or more participants. Choreography diagrams document expected behavior between two participants who interact with each other, and conversation diagrams show the logical relation of message exchanges. Today, we will focus on explaining BPMN collaborative diagrams. In this template, we used our BPMN shapes to document a loan application process. After opening the BPMN shape library located in the toolbox, we dragged and dropped shapes on the canvas. Then, we used pools, or swim lanes, to clearly communicate the different participants involved in the loan application process. Finally, we used sequence flows to show the order of activities that are performed in a process, and message flows to show the messages sent and received between the participants. To customize this template, add or remove shapes on the canvas so it is relevant to your business process. Modify events, activities, or gateways by clicking on a shape and adjusting the settings in the advanced option bar that appears at the top of the canvas. To adjust the amount of lanes each pool has, navigate to the advanced option bar and choose the amount of lanes you would like. To customize the flows to match your business process, click on a line, then adjust the endpoints and line styles in the Properties bar. To further customize this BPMN collaborative diagram template, or any BPMN diagram, you can use data linking and conditional formatting. Our BPMN collaborative manufacturing process example template demonstrates one way these advanced features are used and shows the efficiency of a process step. If you need additional help, visit our Help Center to learn more about data linking and conditional formatting. If the BPMN collaborative diagram template does not fit your needs, use one of our BPMN process flow, choreography, or conversation diagrams. Follow the same techniques discussed to adjust shapes. Once you are done, share your document with colleagues, stakeholders, and other interested parties. If you would like more help on this diagram, check out the resources included to the right of the canvas for additional tips, tricks, and tutorials. With this BPMN collaborative diagram, you are well on your way to documenting your business process. Check out our other templates to learn how Lucidchart diagrams can help you communicate with clarity.